Can I share my presentation? Okay. Could you see my presentation, Mrs.?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Moderator, Mrs. Stuti, thank you for opportunity and time give to me. I will be presenting my research result. The title Factor Influencing Student interest in horticulture agriculture business at Al Kautsar Islamic Boarding School or Pesantren, 500 Sipes in Tasikmalaya District. Uh, the Based on the current reality from the introduction, the agriculture human resource are currently in a state of old age or aging agriculture, but farmer, extension worker, and business actor. The composition of the youth group currently only makes up 20% of the total agriculture sector workforce from BPS 2022. Uh, Maybe various efforts have been made by the government, such as MP program or YES program extra, but it is still not effective. Uh, we need alternative solution where the agriculture human research management uh, has residency in reduced educational institution as one of the important vehicle from human awareness in managing nature and the environment, namely through Islamic Boarding School or pesantren. This is need, however, to achieve the goal of regulating agricultural human research through Islamic boarding school or pesantren. It is necessary to know the interest of the student, especially in the field of horticultural agriculture. Many factor, many factor cause student interest in agriculture business in influenced by several factors, both internal and external factors. The objective for the research, the main objective of this research is to analyze the factors, internal factor and external factor that influence student interest in doing business in agriculture, especially horticulture cultivation at the Al Kautsar Islamic Boarding School, Tasikmalaya Regency. The research method from the research uh, step one, location and time of research. The location at Al Kautsar Islamic Boarding School in Tasikmalaya. Time research from October 2022 until January 2024. The method and this is the design. The method use mixed method with the survey and safety collecting of data with the data primer and secondary data. And step four, the operational variable for the from the research uh, for the internal factor or X1, including the intelligence, personality, and personal motivation, and the external factor or X2, including the education and training and environment, and interest or Y Y factor, including the interest, having a strong desire, daring to take the risk, honest and responsible attitude, perseverance and tenacity, and oriented toward the future. The five, population and sample from this research. Population from this research is uh, 518 students or santri with sampling technique is cluster sampling with the 10% from the population. We take 10% from the population or 48 student at the sample or respondent from the research. Framework analysis use transfer data with the successive internal method and analysis data with descriptive analysis and multiple linear regression tests. And hypothesis use uh, two coefficient determination tests, F test to a simultaneous uh, factor and T test to partial factor from this research with significant 5%. The result from this research, uh, the result of descriptive analysis for the student interest factor, including the intelligence, personality, and personal motivation, and for the external factor student consisting of education and training and environment are all in the highly or good category from this research. The result of descriptive analysis for the student interest factor in participating in horticulture agricultural business activities so that the variable or indicator including the interest having a strong side, honest and responsible attitude, perseverance and tenacity are in the highly or good category. Meanwhile, the variable or indicator dare to take risks and oriented toward the future are in the fairly good or moderate category. The result of multiple linear regression analysis show analysis of a coefficient determination test. The R squared test result obtain a value of 69 which show that student interest is influenced by internal and external variable or by 69%, while the remaining 31% is influenced by other factor not examined in this research. The result for F-test or simultan, the test result obtained an F-con of 100 to 120 and significant level of point which is similar than point 5. So it can be concluded that the independent variable together have an effect on the dependent variable. Interest in entrepreneurship or business can be driven by internal factor, namely factor that come from within the individual himself, and external factor, namely factor that come from outside the individual or individual immediate environment by Octarelis 2012. The result for t-test or partial, the statistical result on the t-test for internal variable obtain at t-con of 237 and a significant level for 5%. So it can be concluded that the internal factor variable, including the intelligence, personality, and personal motivation, partially influence the student interest variable in horticultural farming. And then the statistical result of the t-test for the external factor variable obtain a t-count of for the 100 to 27 and a significant uh, for the 5% level. So it can be concluded that the external factor variable, including the education and training and environment, partially influence the variable student interest in horticultural farming. The conclusion from this research, the internal and external factor student toward horticultural farming and interest in participating in horticulture farming activities at the Al Kausar Islamic Boarding School in Tasikmalaya is a highly or good category. And then internal and external factor of student or santri have a significant influence on student or santri interest in horticultural farming at the Al Kausar Islamic Boarding School at Tasikmalaya Regency. And then from the result of this research, this show that the higher the value of the student or scientist internal and extra factor, the higher the student or scientist interest in horticultural agricultural activities. Therefore, it is hoped that the development of a generation of agricultural human research through Islamic boarding school will be in line with improving the quality of Islamic boarding school student or santri human research, so that this will have implication for high interest in the world of agriculture, especially in horticulture agriculture. Maybe that's we can my result research. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Hendar, for your presentation. So we move to the next presenter is Miss Ayanti Risma.